Assalamu alaikum dear viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into the exciting realm of interior design to explore the latest and most captivating wall texture designs for bedrooms in 2023. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of comfort and style, and the right wall texture can play a significant role in achieving that. So let's embark on this creative journey and discover the trends that are shaping bedroom decor this year. Our first wall texture design trend for 2023 is subtle elegance. This approach focuses on creating a sophisticated and understated ambience in your bedroom. Think about incorporating textured wallpapers with delicate patterns such as damask, herringbone, or soft geometric shapes. These textures add depth to your walls without overwhelming the space, giving your bedroom a timeless and refined look. If you are drawn to the cozy and rustic aesthetics, the rustic charm trend might be your cup of tea. Embrace exposed brick walls, reclaimed wood paneling, or textured stone finishes. These textures infuse warmth and authenticity into your bedroom, creating a rustic retreat that's both inviting and visually captivating. Modern geometrics is a trend that combines clean lines and bold patterns to create a contemporary bedroom. Consider using 3D wall panels with geometric shapes or opt for textured paint techniques like color blocking or chevron patterns. These modern textures add a touch of excitement and personality to your bedroom's decor. Nature has always been a rich source of inspiration for interior design, and in 2023, nature-inspired textures are making a significant impact. Think about incorporating wall textures that mimic the great outdoors such as grass cloth wallpaper, bamboo paneling, or textured stone veneers. These textures create a serene and tranquil atmosphere, turning your bedroom into a natural haven. For a dash of glamour and opulence, consider the metallic luxe trend. Textured wallpapers or wall coverings with metallic accents in gold, silver, or bronze can add a sense of luxury to your bedroom. These textures catch the light and create a space fit for reality. If you are captivated by the free-spirited and eclectic vibes of bohemian decor, then Bohemian Bliss is your go-to trend. Incorporate textured tapestries, macrame wall hangings, or fabric-covered accent walls. These textures add a cozy and artistic feel to your bedroom, making it a place of creativity and self-expression. Our final wall texture design is minimalist serenity. This trend focuses on simplicity and tranquility. Opt for smooth monochromatic finishes like plaster or matte paint with subtle texture. These textures create a serene backdrop that promotes relaxation and a sense of calm in your bedroom. You have it, the latest and most captivating wall texture designs for bedrooms in 2023. Whether you are drawn to the subtle elegance of textured wallpapers, the rustic charm of reclaimed wood, the modern geometrics, the nature-inspired texture, the metallic luxe accents, the bohemian bliss, or the minimalist serenity, there is a texture trend that can help you craft your ideal bedroom retreat. Remember, your bedroom is your personal haven, so choose the texture that resonates with you and creates a perfect ambience of rest and rejuvenation. Thanks for joining us on this design journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interior designs and inspiration. See you in the next video.